Okay, guys. So to redeem myself, and thanks to Ivan, I want to go ahead and create the chart for moment of inertia versus deflection. The last video that I posted, it was kind of wonky because it didn't give me the right chart that I wanted. But basically, for whatever reason, Google Sheets does not like it when you have a chart and you have that in a horizontal form. For whatever reason, it didn't give me the correct chart that I wanted. So all I did, and this is all at Ivan's suggestion, by the way, so kudos to him. I basically just converted it into horizontal, or sorry, vertical. So rather than having I, which is moment of inertia from left to right, and then deflection, which is from left to right, I basically created another two columns, called it moment of inertia and deflection, but I wrote the numbers from top to bottom. If you write the numbers down from top to bottom, all I really did was basically write down every single. You can copy and paste these numbers from top to bottom if you want, or you can once you have the answers, or you can just say that this is located at C7, D7, E7, or whatever location it is, F7, G7, H7. So you don't have to write those numbers down. C8, D8, E8, F8, G8, and H8, etc. Now, once you have them in vertical orientation, the same exact numbers for moment of inertia and deflection, if you want to create the chart, all you have to do is highlight the numbers for both the X and the Y axis. Now it's going to work fine. You go to Insert, you go to Chart. Once you go to Chart, I want to select the Scatter Chart, so it'll give you a bunch of chart options. I selected Scatter Chart. The scatter chart that I have, you can change the customization of it, the chart axis titles. So the chart title, I titled it Deflection and versus I Moment of Inertia. So that's the title that I have on top. If I want to move this a little bit to the right, I could actually space this out and have this move a little bit more to the right. Um, Whichever way you see fit. As you can see now, it's a little more to the right, or you could do that here at top if you really want to. If you want to change the horizontal and the vertical axis title, so you can go ahead and change that to horizontal axis title. I called the horizontal axis, or the x-axis, the moment of inertia, right? That's here at the bottom. If you go to the vertical axis title, I call that deflection, which is here on the y-axis. And now, as you can see, this is the chart that I was trying to get at earlier. Basically, this is one of the conclusion questions you're going to have to answer. Basically, as you go from 0 to a high moment of inertia, the deflection goes from a high deflection to a low deflection. So basically, as the moment of inertia increases, the deflection decreases. So if you think about the moment of inertia as the um, resistance to deformation, right? So basically, as the resistance to deformation increases, then the deflection decreases, right? So basically, as the material becomes stronger and more resistance to deformation, then the deflection gets lower and lower. Okay, that's basically the chart that I need. Once you guys have that, you can go ahead and turn it in. I want your calculations, and I also want your Excel file for credit, please. Just turn those in, and I will give you guys credit after you do so. Thank you very much. See you on the next one.